Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus on the left right next to the camera icon. And firstly, to add an audio file, click on Audio section. Then tap on one of those sources and click on the file that you wish to attach. Lastly, click on Done at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. To add a video one, click on Video section instead. Then hold your video in Recent Files or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. When you finish, just hold your video and click on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!